the day. I just woke up. It is 4:44 and p.m. 4:44 p.m., right? And I'm eating some cereal. This is the best cereal ever. Have you guys ever had this cereal? It's so freaking good. It was, hold on. It was 4:44, and I missed it. Anyways, it's Thursday, and I'm gonna attempt to do kind of like a weekly vlog put into one video, if that makes any sense. I don't fucking know. I'm kind of starting this late because it's fucking Tuesday. Hi, Comb. You wanna come out? You can come out. This is Coma. It's my Colombian red-tailed boa. He's so freaking cute. He's adorable. I love him. I just put him back up so he can sleep. Look at him. He's so pretty. What? Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Okay. Where'd you go? You want to sleep? You can sleep. Yeah. I love you. I love you. No. You can't come out. I'm eating cereal. I love you. Okay, bye, Coma. Bye, Coma. You're cute too. Where the fuck is Mochi? I don't know where Mochi is. Hi, Mochi. Come here. Up. Come on. Up, Mochi. Today is just gonna be a very chill day because I accidentally woke up late and I was going to work and cosplay and stuff, but yeah, I woke up really late. So today we're just chilling. Right, boys? Mochi is being lame. He doesn't wanna... Why are you sniffing my titty? He didn't wanna come up. Bitch! Ooh. Hold on, you gotta be cute. Stop it! Which one of y'all farted? That's my baby. That's my baby. That's my baby. He's baby. I need to fill up his water again. Oh, baby. What are y'all doing? What? Okay, cereal time. Hey, can y'all stop fighting? Can y'all stop fighting? Ow! Guys. Well, bless you. What? Oh my gosh. At least this looks cool. So I'm making pancakes right now, and I got my drink. I'm making protein pancakes. They're horrible, and they don't taste that well, but I make them because I'm trying to go back to the gym and I need protein and I don't eat. So look at my protein pancakes. I made them myself. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what I put in it. Spooky. Oh yeah, look at that. Wham. Then we're gonna grab this. Why did I put it right there? Oh well. It's so hard to film and cook. Okay, bye. I also made my own blueberry preserve or blueberry jam. I literally just did equal parts sugar, blueberries, and a little bit of cornstarch to kind of like thicken it up, and I plan to put it on the pancakes. I had a little bite. And surprisingly, the pancakes turned out really good. I thought they were going to be really shitty because every time I've had like protein packed pancakes, they always taste like ass. But these taste really, really good. But I don't remember the recipe, or else I would have said that. Anyway, this smells really good. Oh, I also added just a tad bit of cinnamon to this. And it smells so good. Look at that. Oh yeah. Don't smack my teeth across your fucking face. These are so good. Look at this. Oh. It smells so good. You should definitely come over and let me cook for you, bitch. Come here. Come on. Good morning. It is Saturday. I didn't film yesterday because I had a lot of work that I needed to do. I'll input some like little cosplay clips here and there, but really I was just busy the whole day. I was at my desk editing so much. I got like 3 photo sets done, like a whole video. Like it was a lot. But anyways. I need more cereal. Who wants to fund my cereal addiction? Yes, don't at me. I eat grandma's cereal. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't at me. Y'all, I couldn't wait. I went to Joann's to see, and I don't know, I live in Louisiana, so like, we don't get shit. Halloween shit, all the stuff you see online, we don't get. Guess what they had? Okay, so don't mind my hair, but I took a shower and took care of myself. I feel like I have to fucking throw up. Anyways, yeah. Honestly, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, yo, I remember. Okay, so like, low-key, I'm kind of feeling I wouldn't say sad, but just kind of discouraged in a way with like my job and just like being a creator right now. Like I have this huge creative spark right now. Like I really do. And I'm like making a lot of content and I'm staying relevant and I'm staying like, you know, on top of everything. But like, I feel like my job is just very oversaturated. And so like, I'm already busting my ass, but like, I feel like I have to bust my ass even more. And like, bro, I don't fucking know. Like, I'm just kind of bitching. I'm just irritated. And, like, it sucks. Like, my reach is low. My views are low. Like, interactions low. Like, I'm just like, okay, do I need to, like, fucking step back and, like, reevaluate, like, me as a brand? But at the same time, like, I'm me. I do me shit, okay? Like, I shouldn't have to, like, do what other people are doing. Or do I? Bro, I don't fucking know. Anyways, I don't know. Y'all like my hair? You like my hair? Yes, I have dark circles. Okay. Yes, I have dark circles. Your girl is stressed.